Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Simplenote for minimal writing and daily logs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Simplenote download and press enter. Look for the official Simplenote website in the search results. Click on the link to the official site. Once on the site, locate the download section. You will see options for different devices, such as Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. Select the version that corresponds to your device. For Windows users, click on the Download for Windows button. If you're on macOS, click Download for macOS instead. For mobile devices, navigate to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Click on the respective store link to be directed to the app. For desktop downloads, the installer file will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts in the Setup wizard. Choose your preferred installation options as you proceed. After installation is complete, open the Simplenote application. You'll be greeted with a straightforward interface. To start using Simplenote, either sign in or create a new account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the layout. You can begin writing notes or daily logs immediately. Use the text box for your entries and explore formatting options if needed. Your notes will be saved automatically in real time. You can easily organize them with tags for better management. To access your notes from other devices, simply log into your account. Enjoy the simplicity of minimal writing and daily logging with Simplenote. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.